Am I live now? Hello. Hi. Wait, I'm not prepared. Okay. Whatever. Yung mga kakakes na. Kakakes na kita. Let's go. Dad, magana, please. Bisan go. Bisan na charge. I'm scared. And also this Minecraft. Ngangagid na karon ko more. Ah, my heart. My heart. My soul. Okay, very good bay takan. Sige. Sige, hanin kidlod. Na matindag na lang ako dyan. Arin ako. Arin ako. Minecraft. Lamuna yun, di ba yan mo? Why am I here? Wait. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Ay, satanay. Ay, satanay. Ala, lag ako. Araran, hi, salamat. Wait. Ay, satanay. Ayan. I set my here. Can I close that one? I'm scared. Wow, may din ka ulod. Paita ako dyan ko sa mountain. Sure. This. Close. Yes, you close too. You close. Sorry, it's the ano. Okay. Charan. Kitaan. Kitaan hindi. Okay. Keep it in. Okay, so, ang get telenovela. Oh! My phone. Okay. Okay. So, dahil ako. Hello. Din mm, din ako mabaal. Din ako. Ay. Hi. Din ako makadto. Diyos ko, this is so hard. Dahil try ko kayo na. Wait. Masunod lang ko. Ano mo? Wait lang. Wala ba si Buta akan ano? Buta akan. Ay, thank you. Wait lang. Thank you mo. How can I supposed to? No. I think I need. this is this is ridiculous. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so hard because I have to do this. Okay. Kitaan mo lang. Masisula ako. Okay, Jeff. Ah, Immoral Murlod. Thank you. I didn't. Magic one. Oh, see. Diyak ko lang batakan na ano. Gituk. Gituk, bye. Wait. Yeah, I think I need that. I also need this. Um, do you need this? Sorry. I also need this. This stairs. I don't know why I bring this stairs. I bring this wood. I bring. Okay. Whew. I think it's okay. Okay. And I bring this. I bring the door. I bring the axe. I bring this. Wait. Okay, I need the shovel because I need the shovel. Okay, didn't. I need the sapling. The crafting table. Ano dyan? Then water ko. I need water. Dirt. They need dirt. Sige lang, ayos Lara. Boat. They need boat. They need this button. Shears. They need shears. They need this. Axe. Ladder. I don't need this ladder. I need. Okay. I don't think I need this chest too. Thank you. Where's the? Where, where are you? Wait. Thank you, Molly. Thank you, Molly. Thank you. Oh, I can send. Yes. Wait din ako mag... uh, oh my god. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Uh, but it's okay, a little bit far for me. Okay. Okay, there it is. I don't know. Ang boots di lang. Charot. Jang boots. They replace. No. There were ang boots. This is so slow. My lag is there's not lag. Okay. What? Where's Where's me? I'm wrong. What will load? No problem. And haha, din ka mo dandan. Mo just that fit gigi. Okay, si masunod ako. Masunod lang ko lo lang ko Molly. Sunod lang ko Molly. Okay, sige. I don't know how's the live here right now. Oh, I'm so sorry. Silot. Jaren, masunod ako rin. Masunod ako. Just run. Just run for your life. Just run. You have a life on your own. Where am I going? Okay. This is so hard. I'm standing and I'm doing this with my arms. This is crazy. This is just for my life. Okay. Mahler. Mahler. Thank you. Dingad. What's the house? Is that what's the TH mean? Jaana totem. What do you mean totem? Mean. Wow, what the heck? Look at the house, it's so big. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go upward, Molly. This is so ridiculous. Okay. Molly, where can I go? I'm scared. I hope I will remove the, yes, I will follow you, I promise. Just do. I just trust me, or I trust you. Yes, just give him. Give everyone. Where are we going? Okay. Hi, wait. Where are you? Where is he? Where is he? Oh my gosh, I lose. Yes, Joe. What? Oh my gosh, thank you. Where is he? Oh my gosh. Did I lose him? Hey, thank you, Gid. Thank you, Gid, sa inyo. Hey, thank you, Gid. Wait, that's a rope. That's so many. Where is my where? Oh no, I lost them. Ah, there it is. Gamal. Okay. I need more. Oh, hey. I need. Oh no, I lost my. Okay, I will just transform my iron armor into iron ingots. I lose it. I really lose it. Oh no, I also lost. Yeah. Good evening. Oh no naman, the secretary. I'd like to ask sino available tomorrow. May emergency meeting. Kita pertaining sa ato per I hope bisan committee kay man lang. Event to send lang naman ang meeting gov had. That was the committee. And I lost smaller now. Oh my gosh, there's so many new things and new places. Oh my gosh, smaller. Did you do your... Okay. He actually did so many buildings and also other best places. Oh, I should. Oh my gosh, yes. Can I? Oh, there it is. Yes, I'm in the boat. Yes, free. Live freely. Where are we going? Oh my gosh. Oh. To be honest, my Minecraft is so laggy. That's why it acts like this, and it's so beautiful. Look at this. Okay. I'm in a tunnel, and there You see, there's so many dandruff floating. It's from the snow biome, you guys. Welcome to the video. I don't know who's in the view. Please don't view this video. It's just a video. How can I supposed to tell? Waller? Waller, I'm lagging. Waller, you're gone, Waller. Waller, I lost you. Please. I lost you. It's so hard. Hey, is it clear there? I don't think it's clear. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, I tried it before, so it's okay. I hope my audio is working or else. Oh no. Oh, there it is. There's a sound. Uh, I need electric fan. Here. This is so fun. Look, it's just the sky I see and Moller. Oh, I I feel hurt myself here in Minecraft. Okay. How am I supposed to do this? Moller. Oh no, I'm there's oh, I lost him. Oh no, I lost him. Moller, I lost you. Oh no. Moller, nabilin ako sa nabilin. I I I stuck here in the tunnel. Nabilin ako sa eh sa tunnel. Sa tunnel. Namaling ako sa tunnel. Ang may eyes. Ang may eyes sa floor. Ang may eyes sa floor, Wally. Ang may eyes sa floor. Basi, sanat ko siya. Balikan ko lang ka dyan. Okay, basi, sanat ko dyan, mol. Digi ako. Okay, thank you. Molly. Okay. There, there it is. I don't know how the live is working there. Okay, I see. What? I saw you. I saw you. Yes. Wait. How can I suppose? Yes. I'm on the boat. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you, Thank you, Molly. Aragay. Oh, what shit this? Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Can I transfer my laptop to the to the bed? Oh no, I lost him again. Oh, I thought I lost him. Just a second. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, arin ako. Yay. How can I leave both? Oh, sorry. What is this? How am I supposed to? Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm stuck. Oh no. Oh no. Wall. Oh no, Smalley stuck in the ano. Wall. Ah, sorry. Where's my blocks? I need my blocks. Okay, here. There's too much blocks on top of me. Okay, here. Okay. Li, should I help you? That's maybe my net's broken. Mall. Okay, I will transfer first because it's really hard. Okay, but I have to flip the laptop. I'm just using the front camera of my laptop. This is why easy. Okay, I also need electric fan. Okay. How's working, guys? Drop in na. What? drop drop iba? Okay. Should I follow you? Okay, Lord. Sige. Sige, sige. Okay, I feel okay. Is it good? I don't know how's the live stream there, but I think it's okay because I tried before. Okay. Lit natala ko dyan, Lud, babaw, Lud. That's what he says. It means that I just have to wait here at the top. I don't know where am I. I'm in a tunnel with a village, a snowy village, and here we have the what's this? This Rubin. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. It's also slippery too, and I'm laggy sometimes. Maybe the lag the event. Thank you. All merits please attend tomorrow evening. Ah, I don't want to. No, I'm kidding. Okay, fine. I will just join it. Okay, I just join. Okay, and I have to find my way to finish my assignment in school because there's so many. Oh, hi. Okay, so you mean we're here? Arinata? Oh, where are we? Oh, is it in this? In maybe under this is the. I need to find the iron. And also need water. Or do you have water? Or maybe I just have to ask for water. Do you have water bucket? I think they. I think you because he's a Minecraft bro. There you guys. So we're trying to ano, to widen the space. I'm so sorry. To widen the space. I don't know how it could be possibly. Is the view okay? Okay, I do like this. Alright. Oh, if I have gone too far, so I got this. Okay. Sorry. Taran. Okay. Ma, follow me. Okay. Okay. Oh, did we return the village instead? Oh, I think it's another dimension. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I lost him. Oh no, I lost him. Where is he? Oh no, no, no. Oh, there. I'm so sorry. I lost you. Oh my gosh. There it is. There it is. Hmm. Mall, mall. Where are you? Oh no, I lost him again. Oh no, I lost you again. Ah, there it is. Oh, oh! Wait. Okay, this is so hard because I don't know if we are actually ready to go to end or not. And it will be terrible if my phone gets low, but that's why I lessen this. Okay, maybe Moller is trying to help the others first so that we can all go all together. And this is the house, you guys, the house they made. Where is the door? Maybe I just find I just see all the windows, but I don't see the door. What the heck? Maybe I skipped the door. Okay. Is the view there okay? I'm concerned because this is how I do. This is how my life how I do. Okay. Wait. Yeah. There it is. If I go too far like just so you know. Okay. Tanan. Oh no, I lost them. Okay, yes, I don't lost them. I'm such a terrible follower. Our leader Moller is here. He's helping other other friends. Okay, we're going to. Where's where's the door? Help! Can you please find me a door? Is this the door? I think this is a staircase. Hello? Oh, there it is. Oh, they quit the table. The Woo! Hi, follow ako. I just follow, okay? Don't worry about me. Oh, so I am the laggy one because the walking is not properly executed by the players, so it's my problem because I also have a problem with the my internet internet here. I thought I thought it just disappeared for a moment. It's like what? Okay, I just follow him. I don't know. I hope Sherwin is also here as well. So there's portal. You made this. Okay. Okay, right here. Oh, this is the ano already. Oh my gosh. Hi, yes, I'm following. Okay. Hey. Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe Mark is there, but I think they were gonna follow. Oh, wait, wait. The bed first. No. Oh yes. Oh. It's just another portal. Okay, I sleep here. Wait. Oh, is bed too far away? I like the blue one though. Okay, so they like green. Hi. Oh, I see my ano right now. Leave bed, I think. Okay. Oh no. I think I have to use the different bed because I don't know how I can be able to spawn. So, yeah. Thank you. Hi, thank you. There's a reflection on my screen. Oh, we're five already? Yeah, it's five. Here they are. Okay, where are we? Okay, guys. Hi, hello. Okay, so these are my best friends, the circle of best friends of Mahler, and quite a sleeping time together. Oh, that was cruel, Eugene. Okay. Oh my God, don't do that. Oh, Mons. I just kidding. Wait, do you? No. Okay, house. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I quit. Oh no! I quit. Gosh, I just quit. Um, no, I just left. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Okay, never mind. I know. Oh no, what did I do? So locating server. Oh, see, we here, it's we already reached the what's this? The net end portal where it lies in the what do you call that? What do you call it? Stronghold? Yeah, stronghold. And we see here, it's taking so long because I don't know. Maybe my internet is the problem. I have the problem with my internet. Oh, here. Hi, I just emerged from the. Oh, hi. Okay, I lost. Okay. Yes, I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay. Wait, why am I using this? I use this. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe so, and I, what the heck? So I read here. Maybe you're gone already. How dare you? Hey, sleep. I also fall to sleep. Faster, or else I'm going to shut people out. No kidding. Okay, so I thank God I don't lose them. um, okay. Maybe I put my here. May totem of undying on my left hand. I have two totem dying. Sa kataday ka mo sa hagdan, bite. Taren? Screenshot ko. Okay, screenshot me, screenshot me. Where am I screenshotting? Hey, first person. Ow! Who did that? How dare you? Who did that? Who hit me? Oh, who hit me? Who hit me? How dare you? Who paints me? Who paints? Who paints me? Is it? Who paints me? Hi. Who paints me? Okay, so maybe he has actually. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. Just ignore the person. I don't care. I don't care about you. You just. Okay. Open! Open sesame! What are you waiting for? Open sesame. Picture ka mo. Don't need to picture. It's just for all of us. Where is, where's this? Sherwin here? I think we're in five. So I'm a third person. Mark. Now don't do that to Mark. Mark is innocent. Who paints me? Who paints me? Who paints me? Oh, where are we? Oh, wait, right here. Hi, Char. Away sa dalo mo ko. Sorry. Where am I? Fine, dala ko sa baboy. Char. Wait. I know where it is. Now, Okay, are we five people now? Look. Hi, here. Take a selfie. Take a selfie. Okay, screenshotting the wall. I don't know why. Okay. It's your fault. You just let me in here. Okay, who's next? Thanks. Is it done already? Ox na. Are you serious? How dare you? It's not ox. Ox na all burning. What the heck? I'm not burning as well. Who's burning? Who's burning? Oh, is this burning? What? Ready to die? No, I'm not. Wait, do you have ano? I don't get the glass, but I have cobblestone, water. Don't worry, you will. Hi, I'm here. So we're ready. Who's ready? Okay, maybe some people just excited. Di pa? I did nothing. Well, just kidding. Oh, we're prepared. Okay. Hey, who has water? Ooh, who's water? Hey, extra bucket, please. Water bucket, please. Fine, let's fight. Whatever. Hey, it's just hey. You have to. It will just gain. It's no. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do this? Fine, whatever. I'm just do this. Just do what you want, you guys. I am going to here. Ooh. Okay, I feel quite hot. Okay, here. Oh, am I here right now? Okay. Ooh. I'm free. I think I need a pearl because if I don't have pearl, do you have water? Who's water? So may water. So may water. So may water. At the bucket, please. Oh, there's no Enderman. Oh no. How can we pass? Maybe Mauler will just help me though. Hey, you have to ruin the ano for ow. Ender Dragon, what the heck? You have to ruin this. Who's gonna ruin this? No one will ruin this. Okay, just do whatever you want. You want? Just fight it. Just fight it. Whatever. I think we're gonna. Sorry. Okay, wait. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, so if you feel burned, you guys, you have to run. Okay, that's what Mollet did taught me when he was in Nether, last grade 10. Last grade. Ow! Where is my? Okay, open. Open. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's one more crystal. Oh, okay. There's one last crystal. And I can't reach it. Ow, 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 ow. Who's bad? Who has bad? Who's bad? I am going to fall. What the heck? Ooh. Ow. Okay. Yay! It's done! Yay! That's so fast. No need. No, you just have no need to ruin the crystals. They're just so lazy going upward. Hey, don't jump there. We're going to end city. Ngayo, Pearl, please. Pwede ngayo, Pearl. Please. Do you have Pearl? Like, no, I mean, Ender. What's that? Oh, this is the egg, you guys. We and now, yay! I am the one who balik lang ko. Okay, that was fast. Hey, can you oh, hey! Okay, let me in here. Okay, it just put. Where's yes, yes. Pwede nga yung Pearl. Where's my oh, here? Hi, Molly. Oh, okay. I thought there was an NCT. That? I thought there were shulkers. Okay. Uh, that was fast. That was so fast because it's actually fast. So, there you guys. I don't. Oh, wait. Okay. Maybe sa sunod, like in the next time here. Who rich in here? Who's that name? They were out. They're already here. And there were it's just near the entrance. And they know already. Hi. Orange. Thank you uli ko. Uli ko tani. The signal. Okay, so I think they're just I don't know. They're just conversing. They're just talking. Um what are you trying to talk? So they already avenged the NCT sa Kyron portal na Mart. Hey! Wait, oh, there's water. I thought I thought there were many Enderman right here. So should we do go here? Okay. Should we remain? No, no, I didn't. I ruined that. I'm so sorry. I did that one. Yeah. So I lost. Okay. I lost. So here there were smaller. I'm trying to find smaller. Oh, maybe they're left. Oh, they here. Okay, so I think I'm ready to bench the Lujak overworld. You can come back here anytime. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you, Lud. Okay, I want to go to the credits. It would be my first time. I think this is my first time going in Nether in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh wait, but the other yeah, in only in survival world and it's in server. But I never end my Minecraft with by myself on my own. So don't worry, I'll make myself on my own as well. Okay. Is he the player? Jubilee Music 45? Yes, take care. It has reached a high level now. It can read all your thoughts. Okay, I think you already know, guys, how the credits will play, but this, yeah, yeah, this is okay. I never have experience reaching the end by myself all alone, but I already reached the end when I was in creative with my cousin Imran, and I also reached the let's call this. I don't know why uh, they censored those words. So does it know that we love it that the universe is kind? So can we go back? Oh no, it's not. Okay. So here I know. I don't know if did I get any. I just checked my I just checked my device if it's low bat. Yes, I thought it will just go to zero. My phone will go to zero. So it didn't happen. So um I I already reached the end with my cousin Zimran and Yan Ranram as well. It's just left me a picture that is where we reach evidence that we conquered the end and even I think the end. Yeah, we conquered also the NCT. I asked the pearl, so I thought it was in my what was in my mind is that they already what to call this okay, so I already reached here. Oh, you can actually just pass another portal. Okay, it's just a design. This is how they design. Okay. Where's my okay? I think I'm going to what do you call this? I'm gonna explore their work. I mean their buildings they made. I think it's okay. It's all clear and all well. Um, so here we reach here, and I think it's pretty clear. Pretty clear. Yeah, and I didn't reach. Okay, this is my first time I reached the end in server with other groups of people, like my best friend. Wait, what's this? This way to Marja's storage room. Okay, so this is for Marja. Where okay, so they're going there. Is there something? Oh, it's going further. Oh, I'm so sorry. I pushed the mic. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so oh, where's the dessert torchlight? Okay, din ka mo. I'll try to explore the world. Here, I have to return the totems they have. They collect so many totems, but these are from them though. Um, who's this? Oh, ko na lang dyan bilhin. No, yeah. Oh, I see. Hi, hello. Oh, this is me. So hi. Hello. Tingkala Jaco Marijo. Jaco Mari Jaco with Marijo. Good. Hi. Hi, Lord. Jaco Marijo. Lord. Lodi. Ah, yeah, raka ba? Wow. Uh, how they act? Ay mo, nami base niyo. Ah, kakuha ka mo shelters. Where did they, ano, may, ah, sino kaninyo may head of dragon? Sino may head of, oh, Jo. Oh, so sorry. Is the live okay? Okay. Wala. Ay, wait. So sorry. I'm so sorry. Hi. Wait. No, I don't. And it's okay. Oh, sorry. And it's okay. Uh, um, Lord. Lord. Ay, mag-explore ko. Mag-explore lang ako. Tulad lang ako. Thank you. Wali ko tani ang Lord, wali ko tani ang What is this? The totem? Oaks load. Load ulit ko tani. Mga armor. Mga armor. And totem. Think you get. Oh, is it in the end? Oh. Think you get. Oh, where are we going? I'm just exploring. I don't know where am I going. Okay, so I think so I think this is the storage room they have. They just okay. Wait, I checked my life first. Okay, here. Oh, my life is okay. Is my life okay? It brings his horse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, diamonds. Okay. So here, oh, there's a villager. How is your trading? How is your trading? Let me know. We have what's this? And what's this? Uh, emerald. What's what's the novice? Oh, this is toolsmith. So when you sell the coal, you have an emerald, and one emerald per axe, I mean stone axe. And then okay. How about this? This is farmer as well. I don't know why they keep they just keep these people. Maybe do they have a potion of weakness so that they can turn the zombie into a zombie villager. So here's the sleeping villager, and they enclose them with the gate. I don't know how the villager possibly go out from there. So here is a lantern. I love the lanterns, and I love the house, the whole house. It's one floor, and I think they will going to upgrade these. I want to. Oh, sorry. I want to go inside. Oh, so sorry. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm so laggy right now. So, yeah. Should I close it? Should I close? Okay. Oh, I see. So, I think they just full of storage here with the shelter boxes and the bed. Yeah, that's it. And the cutting table. They have so many things to do here. So what's this? Oh, I thought they were going to put the horse in there. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just joking. I am just joking. Okay. There's so beautiful. Oh, there's a exposed sky. There's a part of the house exposed sky. I want to have that kind of part of the house where I can expose the sky. Well, expose the sky. Oh, it's just the. Okay. How am I supposed to go here? I don't know. Oh, I think this is for the villager. Oh, are you serious right now? Oh, they just put from the back and then just put here from the gate and just close it. Okay, thank you for letting me explore your base. Wow, this is so beautiful. So right over here we have. I just went here just to explore. What the heck? Okay. I love the ceiling so much. uh, okay, I just look at here for Mansby. I only see the level where I easily get distracted by these things, and now the ceiling. Okay, so it's like a garden. I hope they put just a tiny vine, one vine, and then just one vine, and then it let it flow down, not flow sideward or something. Okay, so I think they have to get to what's this? To terraces. Okay, and I think this is the back or is the front. I think it's the back of the house. Oh yeah, this is the back of the house. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, this is really beautiful. Yeah, I can't. Oh, so sorry. Is my live okay? I think it is. Is my live device okay? It's still in low bat. I think it's in orange. It's still being charged. It's below 95%. And then when it gets 95, it gets green. And it's so late because whenever it gets green, I hope it will not expand the battery in my device because that's the only thing that it starts to green. I hope it starts to green when it's 80 because it's 80 is already enough. Or maybe, or if I let it accidentally let it overcharge, well, too bad for me. Okay. Oh, right here. Oh, this is what I went before. Okay. So, is me or is it Muller? Oh, okay. Where am I supposed to go? Is it right here? Oh, it's like a tunnel. I love this. I love the crafting table. I love. Okay, so this is the what's this? I think this is the Smith's something a Smith cabin. No, it's not a cabin. I'm so sorry. It's not a cabin. I'm just joking, you guys. Okay. Is my life okay? Okay, I'm always be concerned with my live stream because this is my second time. After testing, I never tested before when it was charged. I just start to like here. I don't know my audio is can be heard. Okay, I love the horses. They put it the Hebels right here. They just designed the Hebels. Okay, I think this is for designs, and then where they can put the Hebels instead of putting in the chest. That would be really interesting. They just made it interesting instead of putting it in the chest, like just so you know. That's why I think they put the Hebels there inside the fence. Okay, so here, right here, we have. Okay, so I think it's like Arctic. I mean the mountain. The higher the level, the colder it is. It's like physics. No, does it apply to physics? Yeah. I didn't. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just hurt myself. Okay. I am so sorry. It's my accident. Is my life okay? Yes, it is. Hoping that the screen is visible in this live stream. Hi, live stream. Wait. Wonder why. You wonder why I'm doing this because I'm playing creative. Screenshot bala inventory mo. Okay. Oh, I have now. I have 3 Oxy Lud na screenshot SS ko na, and I have 3 purple boxes. Send ko lang sa imo ang SS. Hihi. Hihi. Send ko lang sa imo. Okay. I have 3 purple boxes. Send ko lang sa imo ang SS. Thank you, Gid. Wait. Thank you, Gid. Um, where? I'm so sorry. Oh, it is like overhang wood. Hi. Oh, it is smaller. I love the place. It's so beautiful. What's this? It's the hut. Oh, do you remove all the village houses? Because way before uh it has so many village houses. Hi. Hello. No, they removed some of the houses. What's this? I think this is where they change where a nitwit or a green villager, villager with a green robe. Why I can't click it? Can't put my book in there and just read. Okay. I hope I can put something in my journal. I want to have a journal in this Minecraft sub. Okay. Okay, so I think the villager will just click it here and they will just um enter, just so you know. Okay, so oh, I love the bridge. Oh, I think that's where we that's where Mauler just dragged me in the boat. No kidding. I mean Mauler just let me in his boat, and we together just ride inside the tunnel, I think. Okay. I have insufficient exploration in this server, so how am I supposed to tell? Okay. Is my